This is the brand new Logitech Signature Slim Solar Plus K980, a keyboard that harnesses the power of light, eliminating the need for constant charging. So let's take a look at what's new. In the box, you get the Slim Solar Plus keyboard and some user documentation. The Logitech K980 can be connected via Bluetooth. First, turn on your keyboard. Once powered on, your Slim Solar Plus K980 will appear under the Bluetooth settings of your computer. Click on it. Now type the numbers shown on screen and press enter. You have successfully connected your Slim Solar Plus K980 via Bluetooth. The signature feature of the Slim Solar Plus K980 is the brand new Logi Lightcharge technology. This allows the keyboard to be constantly charged and ready for use at any time. And that's thanks to the efficient light absorption system that can harvest both sunlight and ambient indoor light, and the smart power management helps extend the battery life. The durable rechargeable battery lasts for years. In fact, this keyboard can stay powered on for up to 4 months in complete darkness. So you can now say goodbye to those messy cables and constant charging. The dedicated action key allows the user to customize it for smart actions and other actions to suit their needs, and the AI launch key can launch your favorite AI assistant. Both the action key and the AI launch key can be customized via Logi Options Plus to unlock more functionality. The K980 supports Easy Switch. This allows you to connect up to 3 different devices and switch between them easily. And the laptop-like typing experience and sleek build ensures comfortable typing all day long. With a powerful and efficient Logi Lightcharge technology, dedicated action key, and AI launch key, the signature Slim Solar Plus K980 can stay powered on and be ready for action for years without the hassle of charging interruptions or messy cables. If you have any questions or for more information, please feel free to reach out to us at our support site linked in the description. Thank you for joining, and I'll see you next time.